Former Orlando Pirates coach Jose Rivero has backed midfield sensation Relebohile Mofokeng to bounce back from a slow start to the campaign, insisting that he has maturity and experience to regain peak form. Mofokeng, who recently returned from injury, reminded fans of his talent earlier this month with a stylish assist in Pirates' 3-1 away victory over Golden Arrows in the Betway Premiership. The promising midfielder had been sidelined after sustaining a knock against Siwelele FC in the Carling knockout round of 16, an untimely setback that ruled him out of Bafana Bafana's crucial World Cup qualifiers against Zimbabwe and Rwanda. With Hugo Bros set to name his Africa Cup of Nations squad soon, Mofokeng faces a tight window to prove his readiness and stake his claim for a place in Morocco next month. During Rivero's tenure, the young star became an integral part of the Buccaneers setup, carrying significant responsibility despite his age, while the arrival of several new signings this season has eased the creative burden on him. The limited minutes he has played have still produced flashes of the flair and control that made him a breakout star, though not with the same consistency he displayed last season. Rivera, long admired for his faith in young players, maintains full confidence in Mofokeng's ability to navigate this phase, as it really is a mature guy. I can't confirm he's out of touch, but I'm certain he will find a way to get back on track and perform the same way he used to. Ups and downs are normal in any player's career. You cannot be at your peak constantly. Really makes it easy for everyone around him to play, and I'm sure he will continue enjoying football, bringing goals and assists, both for Pirates and Bafana Bafana. Rivera, who steered Pirates to the CAF Champions League semi-finals last season, continues to follow the club's progress closely. Despite the Buccaneers' failure to reach the Champions League group stages this year, disappointment compounded by CAF's decision to dismiss their appeal against DR Congo side Limpopo. The former coach believes the Soweto Giants remain firmly on an upward trajectory and that they are progressing and playing well. There's a good mix of exciting young stars and experienced players fighting for every title this season. They have a fantastic opportunity to challenge for the league until the end, and hopefully this year they can make it. I like the club and I want them to win every match and succeed. With the MTN already secured, Pirates now turn their attention to the remaining domestic competitions, and with rising stars like Mofokeng expected to hit full stride again, Buccaneers could yet shape a memorable season. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.